Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about how to make a business organization achieve its key business objectives every year without any fail. So for that, I will be giving you 3 tips, and I will also try to explain with the help of an example that how my tips can be applied. The first tip of mine is, if you want to achieve uh, key business objectives as a business organization every year, then you will have to set at least 3 to 5 key business objectives at top level. The second tip of mine is, uh, then you will have to make sure that every business division or every business department of yours is aligned uh, with your top level objectives. I mean, they should further set their goals according to the top level goals. Third tip of mine is, every manager of your organization will have to make sure that every individual of his or her team is having objectives that is according to the top level objectives of the organization, or the as per the objectives of their business division or department. This way, your entire organization will be aligned with your top level uh, key objectives that you want to achieve as a business organization for a particular year. Once that is done, then you will have to drive everybody in the organization to contribute accordingly. This way, you will be achieving your key business objectives year on year. Um, Now I will try to explain with the help of an example that how it can be done. For example, if you want to achieve 3 objectives like uh, high employee satisfaction, high customer satisfaction, and higher amount of revenue for a particular year, then you will have to set these 3 things as a top level business objectives of your organization. Then every business divisions of yours like sales, marketing, operations, HR, finance will have to set their goals uh, as per these top level objectives of the organization, and they will have to contribute in their terms uh, to help you achieve these objectives. Your next step will be that every team manager of your organization will have to set goals for every individual of his or her team to contribute uh, towards this towards these top level objectives of the organization. When these things are done by everybody, then you will be achieving your key business objectives year on year. I know everybody cannot make direct contributions for some of the key objectives, like everybody cannot produce revenue growth, but everybody can do this indirectly. Hope this video is informative for you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.